Hey, have I told you lately that it's Friday? It's night, it's live, it's New York? Because that's where we're at. You completely threw me just now, Heidi, doing the chicken thing. Hey, we're going to play a game. It's a guessing game called Repair Shop, where Barry is going to be bringing an item into his friend's repair shop, and that friend is Elke. And that sounds like not the most interesting scene you ever saw, but here's the twist. I'm going to kick Barry into the waiting room. We're going to decide what that object is, and Barry has to guess what the object is, and Elke gets to hint at it. So everybody say bye-bye, Barry. You're going into the waiting room.
Bye, Barry.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Barry.
All right, what is an object that is sitting in your house right now that needs to get fixed?
Doorknob.
Doorknob? You have a broken doorknob?
TV set.
Fixing.
I like doorknob.
Lina.
Doorknob's good.
It's fun, yeah.
How do you feel about doorknob, Elke?
It turns.
Perfect. Then we are ready to go. All right, everybody. We're gonna bring Barry back. So if you are not Barry or Elke, now is a good time to mute your microphones. We're gonna bring him back in the room, and we're gonna play a rousing game of Repair Shop.
Barry! What's up? I'm right here.
Batsheva!
Yeah, just call me Pet.
I bought this from you in 1977,
Okay.
and it's just not working right now, and I'm bringing it back for you to repair.
Okay. All right. I'll take that. Wow.
Yeah.
They were making them big in 77.
Oh, yeah.
They're a lot smaller now. Yeah. So, wow, this, how did you leave the house? I hope you'll be able to get back in.
Oh, I know I will be able to, as long as you fix that stereo for me.
No. This is not a stereo.
Oh,
Let's turn it around. Look at it now. You see, it's something essential, to get in and out.
oh. It was my doorknob.
Unbelievable! Just like that, he gets doorknob. It's too short. I'm sending Elke out. We're gonna get another object, and Elke's gonna have to guess.
I get scared of doorknobs.
That was too damn good, Barry. Okay, everybody, we're gonna send Elke out of the room, and we're gonna pick another object, and then now it's gonna be Barry's shop because that was good, man. That was good. Okay.
It was all about Elke. That's all.
Oh man, it was fast. It was good. Okay, give me another object. Something in your house that needs fixing.
Air conditioner.
The air conditioner. Elke's bringing in her air conditioner. Dynamite. If you are not Barry or Elke, mute those microphones because here they come.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up, Jess?
Yes, I got something for you, Rob. Here you go. It's broken. I mean, I've had it a week and it's broken already. I don't know. Maybe I'm just bad at having things.
Yeah, Jess. Jess, I gotta tell you, how'd you get it out of the house?
Through the door, perhaps?
Yeah, you did, didn't you? But you know what? I really think that you should have crawled through the window with it.
Really? Crawled through the window with it. Tell me more.
Jess, how hot is your house right now? I mean, your house must just be 95, 100 degrees.
Yeah. But that's why I brought you this AC to repair.
Unbelievable! These two are like this is like the Olympics of guessing games.
Right on, Elk.
That is so good. All right, give them a huge round of applause because those are experts at this game. That's why you come to see Friday Night Live Improv, because you get the very best. And we're going to be back with more improv in just a second. Wow. Jeez.